Hi guys! We put together a little study skills song for you to the tune of Justin Bieber's You Smile!
Study skills are critical to success in school, essential for good grades. Ain't no way you'll get a grade any less than you should, 'cause baby, you try, I try. You try, I try. Math's my biggest weakness. Wish I knew what you know. What did my flashcards say? Acronyms and mnemonics always help me through the day. When you try, I try. Oh, 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 oh. You try, I try. Hey. Baby, quiz me on the heart and all it offers. This is as difficult as it'll ever get. I have learned nothing yet. I won't hesitate to quiz you more. 'Cause baby, you try, I try. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. You try, I try. Hey, hey, hey. You try, I try. You try, I try. Make me try, baby. You won't ever fail again. With all the techniques you know now, take a break in between. I'm all ready, 'cause I've studied on the table, and I'm willing, and I'm able, and I passed all the answers on my left hand. You tried, I tried. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. You tried, I tried. Hey, hey, hey. You tried, I tried. Whoa, 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 whoa. You tried, I tried. You tried, I tried. You tried.